All right, Grand Rising fam, if you're not a lottery player, please keep scrolling. In this 10-minute video, I'm going to try to fit in as many states as I can. Today's Monday, so let's talk about it. The first number that drops for your state is what we'll be using our chart for. And then see where other numbers are possible to be coming out in those states. The first state we're starting off with, Tennessee. So the most obvious thing I can say about Tennessee, there's patterns that are missing here. As far as your mirror numbers, your sum of nines, doubles just got reset because a lot of them end up coming out, about 12 from the month. And it's the 24th of the month. So usually Tennessee averages about 20 doubles a month. You can see here January 24, February 22, March had 16, April had 16, May had 28. So in the month of June, right now we're sitting at 12 and with plenty of doubles left to be coming out. So again, it's Monday. The first number just dropped. This creates our chart. We have hit lines, cross boxes, and date numbers here listed on the chart. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a link in my bio. You guys are able to come and learn all of this. So that way you wouldn't have to keep waiting on my videos to come out here on TikTok like at least once a week. You'll be updated pretty much daily. But the most obvious one right now is the 2-7 pair that has not fallen here in a couple of weeks, I would say, and it's in our cross boxes. This is an indication that it actually might fall. Another clear indication are our hit lines. 1-4 something should be dropping. 6-4 something should be dropping. 6-1 something should be dropping, which is also a mirror number. So just kind of pay attention to those, Tennessee, for the first, let's just say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We should be seeing one of those type of combinations come out here. Good luck. All right, let's continue to the next state, which would be Texas, and this is going into Tuesday. So we got to see what was coming out here in the last day or so, which honestly, Texas kind of needed doubles. You had two doubles yesterday. Let me see. You had 41 playing numbers for the month so far. You see that this was updated. Let me go ahead and change this right now. This is updated yesterday on the 24th. But yes, 41 playing numbers, 20 sum of nines, 26 mirror numbers, and 24 doubles, which normally, let me see, January, you had 32 doubles, 24 doubles, 26 doubles, 23 doubles in April, 26 doubles in May, right? And you're sitting at 24 plus these two, you're already at 26 doubles for the entire month. Now, 41 playing numbers, and you haven't had a playing number yet this week. Just know you're going to be hitting about maybe 45. Maybe 45. The highest you had was 42 playing numbers last month. So the ones that you see here that are unhighlighted just have not shown up in your state all year. Red means that they are hot. Blue means that they've only come out one time. Take note. Also, Texas, the 1-6 and 4-9 mirror numbers look like they might be dropping this week, considering that this is a Monday pattern. It's in the cross box. Don't miss it. Good luck. Okay, Georgia, going into Tuesday morning, you're missing sum of nines and you're missing some more double numbers. Now, you did have a mirror number last night, which was 503, and that was pretty much just on the hit line. If we have any numbers that are here on the hit line, that is just an indication that they actually might pair up. This could have been 502, 4, 6, 5, 8, 0 through 9. 503 was just one of those type of numbers. Now, the one on the bottom hit line, as you can see here, the triple zeros, these should be landing somewhere. Not going to say it's going to be Georgia, but in general, the triple zeros should be landing somewhere at some point this week. When we see lines on the hit line like this, normally these come out in a different state. So Georgia might be calling these triple zeros or the 550 going straight across in a different state. If you see it in any other state, it's worth playing. Now, I will say you only have one more pattern. Again, the 1-6 for your mirror numbers and 9-0 for your sum of nines. And you only have two more doubles that need to drop pretty much before they get reset. And they will drop before, the end of the month. the majority of the time that they do. RGA, good luck. Okay, Maryland, so your chart started off with 2 play numbers. You're obviously missing the rest of your patterns here. Your doubles, mirror numbers, sum of nines. Sum of nines, I would probably stick with this one that just haven't shown up in quite some time, which would be the 180 through 189. And you have plenty of them on the chart: 182, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, whichever one you would like to play. 0 through 9 would be my suggestion. We can kind of go take a look at what has popped off for the entire month. 12 doubles, 16 mirror numbers, 10 sum of nines, 17 plain. In reality, you got 19 plain that these two just landed. But 14 plain numbers in January, 21 in February, 19 in April, 16 in May. It's really averaging, or at least they're staying around the same type of numbers. So this is going to be very, very tight going into this week. Maybe stick with some of these mirror numbers and or sum of nines like I had just mentioned. Good luck, Maryland. Ohio is kind of in the same situation as what Maryland was, actually. Starts off 2 plain numbers. You're still missing all your other patterns here. And you are only missing one type of pattern also with the sum of nines, which would be the 3-6. So 3-6 does look pretty good here quite a few times. Worth playing maybe a couple times. The 3-8 looks great. In reality, you're probably going to need a little bit more doubles for the month. And you had 15 in January, 6 it looks like in February. That was a horrible month for doubles. 22 in April and 18 in May. And you're sitting at 9 right now. So I would, maybe look at some doubles. You only have zeros and nines left that need to drop. And zeros, you have 000 in the middle of the chart here, which is a great indication that it might be falling. Good luck, Ohio. Anyway, South Carolina, let's see, we had 162 come out last night, which was in the cross box, as you can see here. 1-6 is in this cross box, and 2 and 7, which is the same exact number, just backwards, is pretty much surrounding this cross box. Good indication of saying it might have been 162 or 167. In general, the 1-6 is in the cross box. This is I'm not even gonna say guaranteed. It's just a really higher chance of that pair coming out within that state within that 7-day period that this chart gets put out on Monday. So South Carolina, that one already came through. You do need some sum of nines. You are also missing 1-8 and 3-6. Now 3 is an 8 and 1 is a 6. These are the same exact numbers, just backwards. Please pay attention to them because they might be falling here at some point this week. Now, New Jersey, let's take a look. Doubles and sum of nines are missing through the first day, which is fine. Again, every pattern is not going to land, obviously, in the first Monday. We're going to have to wait for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to kind of pop off and see, can we find a sum of nine, or can we find a double? And if so, which double should we be going for? Should it be the ones in the cross box? Should it be the ones on the hit line? Should it be the ones that are just paired up where we see triple of, the 666s are sitting right here, right, in the cross box. If we go over, and double sixes are not highlighted, meaning they haven't fell here in quite some time. It's just, make it make sense at the end of the day. Just don't go ahead and play, any of these coming straight down. These could be patterns, but they're just not well-known patterns. The ones, again, in the cross box or on the hit line are more than likely to come through. Or Monday pattern. This is 2-7, 2-8 might pair up, 2-0 might pair up, 2-6 might pair up, or 2-1 might pair up. For example, 2-0-8. That was clear as day up here. It's a Monday pattern. 2-8 is naturally just going to be on a hot set, as you can see here, 280 through 289. If we would have played the 280 through 289, we would have smacked it yesterday. Anyway, good luck here in New Jersey. This is as much time as I can get for this video. I told you guys to play the 258 yesterday. Let's go ahead and see what came out. Jersey, 208, 325, 780, 258, and MO twice. It was known.